Hello viewers, I welcome a warm welcome to you again to this online class. So previously we have started arithmetic progression. Okay, so today's class will be a continuation of the chapter. Okay, so in the last class we did the general term of an AP and followed by the formula. Okay, then we have solved problems related to that formula. Okay, some are simple and some are quite tough. Okay, now we will be doing the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so let's take a general AP. Okay, means any AP for a given AP. You know that okay, in AP I've always told you first term common difference. Okay, that has to be always kept in mind. So for a given AP with first term A, and we have common difference D, okay, and then we have the number of terms to be n. And then there are some cases where they have given the last term. Okay, this is denoted by n. So based on this, there are two formulas for this sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so if A, N, and L are known or given in the question, then the sum of n terms of the AP is this formula. Okay. However, if A, N, and D are known, then S will be this formula. Okay, so for today's lesson and today's class, you need to remember this formula and memorize it. Okay, so we'll solve problems related to this formula. Okay, to this topic, sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so we'll keep in mind these two formulas. Okay, then we'll read the question and know which formula we have to use. Okay, but I'll tell you, usually we use this formula. Okay, so this formula is very important. Both are important, but usually okay, we use with the help of this. So find the sum of indicated number of terms of the AP. Okay, so they have given this AP. So first you need to write as usual, given AP is this, and you know that you have to write the first term. Okay, so first term, common difference, they are very important. So here it is -1, and then we have common difference to be 1/4 minus of this. Okay, so 1/4 minus of -1, which is 1/4 plus 1. After taking LCM, we will get 5/4. Okay, so check what they have given. Okay, AP, first term, common difference, you have to find out. Then this one here. Okay, now this one, 81 terms. It means that you know that this is is the first term, second, third, then till what? Till A81. Okay, means you're finding the sum till A81, means minus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus it goes on till A81. Okay, so this 81 here is not L. Okay, in fact it is N. Okay, so N means number of terms, and it is 81. Okay, so when A, D and N are given, we have to use this formula. Okay, so therefore S will be equal to N, it is 81 by 2, and then twice. Okay, first we'll write first the formula. Okay, N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1D. Then we substitute what is N, it is 81. Then A it is minus 1. Then N it is 81 and D it is 5 by 4. Then 81 by 2, we get minus 2 here. 80 bracket means multiplication. This you cancel, you get 20. So 81 by 2 minus 2 plus 100. Okay, so when you calculate this, you will get 98. Okay, so you can cancel 2 and 98, you get 49. So when you multiply this and this, you will get 3969. So this is the answer. Okay, now for the second problem, find the sum of this AP. Okay, so first, initially, like given AP. Okay, given AP is 18 plus 15 and half plus 30 plus minus 49 and half. Okay, then as always, here first term is what? First term and common difference. So first term is this. Okay, common difference. It is 15 and half minus 18. Okay, so it is equal to 31 by 2 minus 18, which is 31 minus 36, so which is minus 5 by 2. Okay, then if you check here, they haven't given the number of terms. Okay, so however in the formula, okay, either A, N and L should be known, or A, N and D should be known. Okay, so it means that we have to find N. Okay, it is a necessity that we have to find N. Now how can you find this N? Now remember that this last term will always give you N. Okay, because it means that we're adding from the first till this last one. Okay, so this will give you that number of terms. Okay, A. So now this is AN. Okay, means okay, the last term. Okay, AN is minus 49 and half. Okay, then we'll use the formula. Okay, the general term of an AP. This is A plus N minus 1 D. This one will be 99. Okay, then this substitute, this is 18. Then we have to find N, and then D substitute, it is minus 5 by 2, and then minus 99 by 2. You carry this to the other side, so plus into minus will be minus, so N minus 1, minus 99 by 2, this will be minus 18, then minus 5 by 2, N minus 1, this will be minus 99, 36 by 2, then minus 5 by 2, n minus 1 will be minus 135 by 2. So 2 and 2. Okay, so minus and minus also. Okay, then this you will carry it down. So n minus 1 will be 27. So n will be in fact 28. Okay, so you have got A, D and N. Okay, after getting this, you substitute in the formula. Okay, so therefore S will be n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1D, then n it is 28 by 2, 2 into 18 plus 28 minus 1, substitute everything. This is minus 5 by 2. Then you can cancel this one, you will get 14. This one will be 36. 27 into minus 5 by 2. Then this one, take LCM, you will get 2, and then 72 minus 135. So it will be equal to 14. This one will be minus 63 by 2. Okay, then you cancel 2 7s are 14. So you get minus 4 4 1. So this is the answer, okay, to this problem. Okay, so now this next problem, it says like this: how many terms of the sequence should be taken so that their sum is 0? Okay, so this sequence is in fact an AP. Okay, so whenever this sequence, first you have to check whether it's an AP or not. Now if you check the common difference, it is in fact the same. So it is an AP. So given AP is 18, 16, 14. Okay, and then if it's an AP, then the first term and common difference you have to find out. Then common difference will be this minus 2. Then how many terms means, when they ask this question, how many terms means you have to find n. Okay, so how many terms means you have to find n. Okay, and their sum is 0, means given also is s equal to 0. Okay, so A, D, and you have to find n. So substitute in the formula twice A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, because A is given, D is given, but you have to find n. Okay, so now since n by 2 cannot be 0, okay, because n cannot be 0, okay, natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, so only this term will be 0. Okay, then substitute what is A, it is 18, and then n, this one is minus 2, this one is 36, this is plus into minus is minus 2, plus into minus is minus, you bring this 2 forward, then you carry this to the other side, it will be minus 36, then n minus 1 will be 36 by 2. So n minus 1 will be 18, so n will be 18 plus 1, which is 19. So when you add the first term to the 19th term, the sum you will get to be 0. Okay, so that is the meaning of this question. Okay, so we'll proceed to the next question. This next problem, find the sum to n terms of the EP. So they have not given the EP, but they have given only this one, this kth term. Okay. So first term also they haven't given common difference because without giving the EP. Okay. So, but they have said here that you have to find the sum to n terms. Means the number of terms n here is actually n. They are not specifying the number of terms. Okay, so actually it means it's a specific n. Okay, being arbitrary. Okay, so given for the given AP, for the AP says here ak is equal to 5k plus 1. Okay. Then whenever you see this, okay, this is a general term of an EP, okay, AK, so you substitute the formula. Okay, 5k plus 1. Then you write, what is this? A it is first term, and D it is the common difference. Then you bring the terms which contain k. Okay, you multiply first this dk minus d. Okay, then if you check this, okay, this and this. Okay, so what you try to bring this forward, dk plus a minus d. Okay, so we have this. So you see here, this is an equality sign. Okay, so this here k and this here is k. So from here we comparing the coefficients of like powers of k we have. Okay, so what happens is that when this here, okay, we have k, and then coefficient means the number in front of k. Here it is d and here it is 5. So what happens is that d will be equal to 5. Okay, so when there's nothing here means k to the power 0, here also k to the power 0. So that means that the coefficient a minus d and 1, they will be equal. Now this is possible only when we have this equality sign. Okay, so this implies d is equal to 5. Okay, and sorry, d is already 5, so we substitute this here. Okay, so now a minus d is equal to 1, so a minus 5 equal to 1, so we have a to be 6. So from here we got a to be 6 and d to be 5, and this n here it is given, okay, a specific n. Okay, so and they have asked you to find the number of terms, the sum to n terms, okay, of the AP. So substitute in the formula twice a plus n minus 1 d. Then n, so what is a? It is 6 plus n minus 1 d, it is 5. Okay, so you calculate, this one will be 12, this is 5n minus 5, so this one will be 12 minus 5 will be 7 plus 5n, so this will be the answer. Okay, now this next problem, okay, find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers which are multiples of 11. Okay. Now this problem is very important. Okay. During competitive exams also used to come this kind of problem. Okay. So first, try to find out only those 3-digit natural numbers which are multiples of 11. Okay. So the 3-digit natural numbers which are multiples of 11 are, okay, now first 3 digits starts from 100 and ends till 999. Now from here you pick only those which are multiples of 11. Okay, multiples of 11 means like 11 into 1 is 11, 11 into 2 is 22 means 11, 22, 33, those are multiples, okay, when you multiply by 11. Okay, so from here, check the first one, which is a multiple of 11. 101 is not, 102 is also not a multiple of 11. However, 110 is a multiple of 11. The first term. Okay. Then, as soon as you get this term, no need to find out. Just add by 11. Okay. Add by 11, you will get 1 to 1. Okay. 11 again, you will get 1, 3, 2. Okay. Then the last one. The last one starts from 999. Now 11, this one is not a multiple. How will you know? You divide by 11. That is an easier way. Okay. 11 does not divide this. Then you go by 998 like that. Okay. Then 997 you check. Okay. And you will find that after dividing, okay, 997, 996, they are not divisible. Okay. Remainder is not 0. But 990 is a multiple of 11. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay. So now if you check here, now this is just a sequence of numbers. Okay. They haven't like you cannot say that first you have to check whether it's an EP or not. Okay. But actually naturally it is an EP, because if you take the difference of this and this is 11, this and this will be 11. Okay. So from here you can conclude that this sequence is an EP. Okay. So the above sequence of numbers is an EP. As soon as it's an EP, you can find the first term and the common difference. If it's not, then you cannot proceed ahead with these. Okay. So first term it is this. Then common difference will be 121 minus 110, it will be 11. Then n should always be known, okay, in the formula. So we'll make use of this last term. Okay. So now this an, it is this, and this will help you to find n. Okay. So a plus n minus 1d equal to 990. This, and then n minus 1d. Sorry, substitute d. It is 11. It is 990. And then this you carry to the other side. 11 and minus 1. It is 0. Then n minus 1, divide this by 11, n minus 1 will be 80, so n will be 80 plus 1 will be 81. So you have got n and is and d, okay, you have got, okay, I mean it's there, okay. Then you can find out the sum now, because in the question we have ask you to find the sum. Okay, so S, okay, we'll use the other formula because now this is the last term. Okay, so it will be quite simple to solve as well. So this implies S will be, and it is 81 by 2. First term it is 110 plus 990. Okay, so S will be 81 by 2 into 1 0 0 0 7 1. Okay, then if I was a 10, if I was a 10 this. So this implies that S is equal to 81 into 550. Okay, I'll calculate here. It's 80 plus 1. So the answer is 44540. So this is the answer to this problem. So with this, I have completed the chapter Arithmetic Progression. I hope you have understood this chapter. So thank you, students.